everyone, how are we all doing out there? I hope you are all good, or as well as you can be. I'm back after my little hiatus to do a subscription of the week for you. I know it's been a while, but I have this thing that I have had for a while and I need to share it with you now because there are weekends, there are bank holidays, and eventually there's summer holidays coming up and you might need this for your young ones. So if you want to find out what is inside this unboxing today, you need to give me a thumbs up, let me know you like these videos, hit that subscription button and join my High Def family. Of course, you can share this video so more people find out, and you can hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Alright, let's get into the video. It's called a weekend box and it is an activity box for children aged 3 to 8. I got this on a deal that made the box £1 and it looks pretty fun. This is actually my second box. I already had one that I gave to my friend so that she can open it and use it with her son, and I have this one so I can unbox it for you and show you all the bits which haven't already been cut up and played around with. So I will insert some pictures and from some of the activities that she did with her box. I have had this one a while, so this isn't the current box, but it just gives you a general idea of what the box is all about. So the boxes are themed and you can either have a box with 2 activities or 4 activities, and you'll have something to make, something to eat, something kind of outdoor activity. They call it Make, Bake, Explore and More. So if you have a 2 type box, you'll have 2 of those random, and if you have the 4, you'll have all of them. They also have a loyalty chart inside so that you can put stickers on it if you've been good or if you've achieved things, so parents can use it as a sort of reward system, and they have collectible items. But we'll go into the box and I'll show you. If you have the 4 activity box, it can come every fortnight or it can come every month. If you have the 2 activity box, it comes every month. When you first open the box, it looks like this. So it says Wooster, Hattie, Sammy and Oswald. These are different characters, and inside we've got our different activities. The 2 activity box, which is monthly, is £5.95 a month, or the 4 activity box is £8.95 a month, or every 2 weeks if you have it every 2 weeks. And you can get discounts if you want it sooner than that. I've got a discount code for you here, or you can get other discounts if you find them elsewhere. So let's have a look at what's inside. This is the Wooster activity and it says head chef on it. So it comes with 4 different colour bags, and these are all the different activities. And it comes with some stickers to stick on your chart. It comes with these stickers, so it says add this sticker to your loyalty chart to earn prizes, and rate your weekend box and put them on Facebook to earn bonus points, then you'll get extra free stuff. Always good. So let's see what it says. It says, welcome to your weekend box. This week your box is packed full of cool crafts and awesome activities. Make them for your mum or anyone else you love, because this was out around Mother's Day, this one. To get started, match your colour bags with the same colour of activity in the booklet and get making, baking and creating. So it's about making a flower crown to make, and it's got everything included. So it's got green paper, foam sheets, gem strip, glue stick, flower pieces and a template. You just need pen, pencil and scissors, and obviously an adult if you are doing things with scissors. So this comes like this, and then you get your bag. I don't know which bag it is. Why can't I work that out? No, it's not that one, it's not that one. It must be this one. So it's really good because it's even got a glue stick in here, a whole glue stick to do these activities with. It's got some fun facts. It says seahorses are one of the only species of animal in the world in which the male gets pregnant. The mother who gives birth to the largest baby on earth is the mother elephant after 22 months being pregnant. Thank goodness that we only have to have about 9 months being pregnant, hey? Has a joke. Let's see. What do you call a small mum? A mini mum. It's not funny. What did the mother broom say to the baby broom? It's time to go to sweep. Right, what else do we have in here? So it has the full directions on how to make a crown. On the back it has a hedgehog to colour in, which is one of the characters, I think. Then we have a keyring gift that you can make. So there's activity things, a printed keyring insert, colouring pencils, and a plastic keyring. That's cool. So the idea is that you can make a keyring like that. Tissue paper flower, something else you can make. Looks like that. And sugary shortbread. So it's got a whole baking activity and it has all the ingredients. Oh, you'll need butter, a sprinkle of flour and a baking tray. That's pretty fair, to be honest, because you know you can't really put butter in a box, can you? All our food is packed in the same place, so it could possibly contain allergens such as gluten, peanuts, soya milk and nuts, and the allergens are highlighted in black, so you do need to be careful if you're allergic to any of those things. This may not be quite the box for you, but maybe you could follow the instructions but substitute it with your own ingredients to be on the safe side. And then it has a thing where you can draw a finish off the sort of comic strip type thing with a picture of your own family. And at the end of the box it has a certificate that you can cut out of the back so that your child you can put your child's name in there and you can say what you think and yeah, colour it in and let them know that they've done a good job by filling the box. Obviously you don't have to do this just over a weekend, you can do it throughout the week, you can do it whenever you like. Now when my friend tried this, she thought it was pretty good. Her son is 3, almost 4, so he was about 3.5 when we actually did this. And he did enjoy most activities. Some he found took a bit long, like there was a bit of cutting out that was a bit fiddly for him, so it wasn't quite as fun, so his mum had to do it, and then that took a bit longer and that distracted him. But I think if your child was older, they're guaranteed to really like it because they can get on with it a lot themselves. Or if you have a child that doesn't mind waiting, or you could do a little bit of preparation before. So some of the cutting's done, get everything ready, and they can just stick and glue and all the bits that the younger children like. And as they get older, you can obviously let them do more of their own. He did overall like the box. I'm actually really impressed that it's got its own glue. So let's have a look at some of the other items. Now, so here's some of the gems for making the Mother's Day crown and the bits of foam that it promised. This is the Explorer bag. Yeah. Explorer doesn't always mean outdoor, it can mean indoor, and this is what the keyring is that we were talking about earlier, and it comes with a pack of crayons. So we've had a whole Pritt stick, we've had a whole pack of crayons, which obviously can be used for more than one go. So it's a nice way to build up your play kit, I guess. This is the bag of chef ingredients, which I'm not going to open, but obviously that's to make the shortbread. The green fingers kit is sometimes things to actually plant, like in my friend's box it was something to plant outside, but the one in this box is a pipe cleaner and paper to make the paper flower and like some sticky thing. I don't know how it works, I haven't made it. So it doesn't have to be necessarily an outdoor activity when it's green fingers, it could be making something from nature, which is good because not everyone has got a garden or a place they can do planting, so that doesn't exclude you. And obviously if you have got a garden and stuff, there'll be different types of activities, not just planting. So that is good to know. I think that especially for an introduction price of £1, this is an awesome box, but actually for £9 for 4 different activities that are sort of like about half an hour each, I'm sure it does say. Yeah, to make the flower crown it's about 35 minutes. 20 minutes for the key ring, 25 minutes for the tissue paper flower, 35 minutes for the shortbread. I think there are some nice activities just to give you a few extra bonus ideas of what to do. Maybe when it's a rainy day, this is the kind of thing you could pull out. Or if it is holidays and you're looking for extra things for kids to do with you or with each other, depending on the ages of your children, that could be quite nice. An older sibling taking on doing some of these activities with their younger sibling. They have super cool bonus crafts on their website every week as well, so there's extra activities, and they're always running competitions to win free boxes and other things. So what do you think of the weekend box? Do you think it's fun and lots of interesting things to do, something to do particularly on a rainy day perhaps, or maybe in the holidays when you've got extra days to fill and are looking for activities? Let me know all your thoughts down below, and I will be back with another subscription of the week, because I have got a few stacked up now, so don't worry, I will be back with more. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.